All right, now on to our HubSpot Gotcha of the Week. And this is the HubSpot Security Center that launched, and we mentioned it in the last episode, and we're doing a bit of a deep dive into here.
Oh,
And Craig, you were quite scathing about it last week.
yeah.
As we delved into it, it's almost like I could almost be skewed in that direction. So we're just going to show you a few things and try to understand what they're trying to achieve here. And maybe this is like take one and it's going to get better, but even the numbers don't add up. So let's have a start. And see what
So I'll take a
happens.
step back and say what they want to improve security. Great. All for the outcome. I want a snapshot of what my security is like for my portal and what I need to improve. Yep. Great outcome. Of course, I support that. However, the implementation just has me confused. In the show notes, I have a screenshot. Here's, if you're watching on YouTube, here's what it looks like in Ian's portal. What percentage of users have 2FA? Yep, please review. That's good. What percentage of your users are admins? Okay. But here's what it's like in my portal. I've got how many super admins does your account have? 6, which is correct. How many partner users who are super admins does your account have? 11. I don't understand what this means. And then you go, oh, okay, please review and I'll resolve it. Takes me, it's like, where's this 11 come from? And I just don't understand what that means. Like, what do I do with that? Is it because I'm a partner that maybe this thing, and maybe for most people it's fine. Anyway, that's my confusion. I don't understand it. And so why are we highlighting this? I mean, there's lots of bugs and things in software. It's like, well, why? This has been rolled out and promoted, so it's not in beta as far as I know. And it's confusing. And I think we're trying to promote security hygiene. And this, I'm like, what's going on? So look, hopefully I've just not had enough coffee and don't understand what's going on, and we can highlight it. And again, we'll update that in a future episode. But yeah, I just don't know what's going on, Ian. Yeah.
What do you think? I have a feeling, just now having a think as you talk about it, both our portals have partner user admins as 11, right? And we both have different level of admins in our account, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you'd think it'd be a subset of all the admins. That's what I would be thinking logically.
Right.
I have a feeling someone has put that line in and they've hard coded it to 11 and they've left it there.
Really?
And I'm going to go look at some other portals and check it out. But I suspect that that's what's happening. And they maybe haven't coded it to differentiate it. And that's why we have the same numbers, even though we have different number of super admins.
Okay. Well, look, wrapping this up, I don't want it to end on a negative note, but I think the approach for security, great. I really recommend that. And so it's the first 4 lines. Yep. 2-factor authentication, it needs to be there. Yep, that should be on.
Yep.
Everyone, as much as possible, should have it set up. We're only at 80%, which is good, but it should be 100% because you're only as strong as your weakest link. How many super admins? Yeah, we're very careful on that. But yeah, I think that's good. I know in a lot of portals we go into, what percentage of the users super admin? It's like 90% or something. So I get that that's a really good indicator. So yeah.